how to archive emails in Outlook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Outlook and then head over to File in the top left corner. Now you'll find something like Tools. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on Clean up old items. Now you'll see the archive option, tap on it, and then you can see archive items older than. So set a date and then hit OK. And then all the old emails will be saved in your archive. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.